2 miles away from the runway now. His flaps down. He's got, you can see still that landing gear that is 90 degrees. A very serious situation, but again, it all comes down to this these next few moments for those people who are on board this JetBlue flight. They've been flying around for hours out over the coast. We look down onto the runway here, 25 left, the far south side of LAX right now. And
that's the El Segundo side, Larry.
It is the El Segundo side, the 110 or the 105 freeway side. All traffic has been stopped, but right now I can tell you that he is about a half a mile final. He is now crossing the 405 freeway. That is Hollywood Park that you see in the background there as he makes his way down to the 25 left side here of LAX, the south side, the El Segundo side. And again, there's 2 fire department helicopters, 1 LA County Sheriff's Department helicopter, very large, and we see fire trucks and hundreds of firemen literally lined up along this runway. We've never seen a response
all right, here
like
he comes,
this.
Larry.
And here he comes
right
He's going to cross the threshold.
Let's take a second. Let's all take a second here. And let's all say a little prayer as this pilot touches down with 139 people.
10 feet above the runway right now. 10 feet above. And now you see those main landing gear.
This is it.
Touching down.
This
and there,
is
you
it.
can see. Now he holds that nose off. You see, he holds it up as much as he can now, and we'll see what happens here. He'll hit the landing gear, and he's holding it steady right now.
So far, so good, buddy.
There we go, and it does
it.
not snap back into place. But you can see that front wheel is not smoking right now, but the back wheel leaving a trail of smoke. Now the front wheel there, so it's grinding. He's got the air brakes on. A lot of sparks right now. Sparks flying.
It's burning.
There. And you can see it's holding up a lot of smoke and sparks now coming down. Fire trucks in trail right now, and it looks like he's going to have to take up the entire length of the runway here. But look at
what
this
a great
right
job.
now. It does not collapse. It is staying in place. Look at that, grinding the wheels there.
Burned that rubber absolutely off, but he came down perfectly.
Now here come the fire trucks.
Well done.
Watch this.
Amazing. Amazing job right down the center.